today that matter regarding encroachment of Anjuna beach came up before the High Court, in which the High Court has issued notices to the Sarpanch and one of the ward members to show to the High Court whether those particular structures which are mentioned in one of the complaints belong to them, and whatever they want to say about those structures, that is what High Court has directed a notice to be issued to these people, and the matter is fixed day after tomorrow for their response, and the day after tomorrow the court will take up the matter.
There is instruction to seal the premise also.
See, there are some structures which are pointed out by the Pollution Control Board upon their inspection, saying that these structures do not have any permission from the Pollution Control Board to operate. So those structures, even earlier there is an order of the High Court to seal them. So if these structures also do not have any permission, the High Court has observed that the Pollution Control Board should take action against these structures also.